What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best flip phones in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're seeking to take the economy route, we've hand-picked the Alcatel Go Flip V. Recognized as the top affordable flip phone in 2024, the Alcatel Go Flip V represents an excellent choice for individuals seeking a straightforward, dependable flip phone. It offers 4G LTE connectivity, a commodious screen, and a specific camera button. Additionally, it operates on KOS, allowing access to prevalent social media apps. The Alcatel Go Flip V showcases a classic flip phone design with a generous 2.8-inch screen and a distinct camera button. Created from plastic, it emanates a sophisticated and contemporary charm, perfectly merging simplicity and practicality. The flip phone's 2.8-inch display is ample and lucid, making text and images effortlessly visible. Its resolution of 24 by 320 pixels is typical for a phone in this category, ensuring a pleasing visual experience. The dimension and quality of the screen amplify user contentment with the device. The Alcatel Go Flip V is equipped with a 2-megapixel rear camera. This functionality allows for the capturing of photos and moments with reasonable precision. Although it may not be the highest resolution camera available, it adequately meets basic photography requirements. The audio quality of the Alcatel Go Flip V is commendable. The speaker delivers a loud and clear sound, and the microphone effectively captures your voice. The call quality is also satisfactory, with no discernible static or echo. The Alcatel Go Flip V houses a 1350 mAh battery, offering up to 300 hours of standby time and 6.5 hours of talk time. This constitutes good battery longevity for a flip phone, and you should be able to navigate a full day of use without concern over depleting power. The Alcatel Go Flip V provides various connectivity alternatives, including 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a micro USB port. This ensures you can effortlessly maintain internet connectivity, stream music, and transfer files. You can utilize Bluetooth to pair your phone with headphones, speakers, or another Bluetooth-enabled device. Furthermore, Bluetooth can be used to transfer files between your phone and another device. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Next on our review list is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which we deem as the top-notch foldable flip phone of 2024. This latest foldable device from Samsung is a trendsetter for state-of-the-art gadgets. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a crucial upgrade for Samsung, especially in the face of fresh rivalry from Google Pixel's range. These innovative devices are more than just phones. Samsung markets the Fold 5 as a comprehensive computer, tablet, and phone that you can conveniently fold and carry in your pocket, making it arguably the most proficient Android gadget available. The design has been polished from its predecessor, replacing the wedge shape and folding flat when closed. Courtesy of the new hinge design similar to the Z Flip Z, a considerable enhancement. The gadget is slimmer and 10 grams lighter than its forerunner, with a less noticeable fold along the screen's crease. It's still bulkier than a standard phone, but only 13 grams heavier than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It feels less weighty in the pocket and is significantly lighter than its main competitor. The 6.2-inch external screen is slightly narrow, causing a somewhat cramped keyboard, but it displays well and performs effectively for phone-related tasks like messaging, music, and other quick activities. For more extensive usage, the 7.6-inch internal screen remains a spectacle when unfolded. Samsung asserts that the new design enhances durability by 25% compared to previous models, but like all foldable screens, it's softer than regular tablet glass, warranting careful handling. The Fold 5's USB-C port can connect to an external monitor and other peripherals and fully charge the device in approximately 72 minutes using a 25-volt or larger power adapter. The Fold 5 is powered by Qualcomm's high-end Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra with 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most potent Android devices available. Contrary to most phones, you might actually utilize all its power. Running 8 apps simultaneously will maximize its potential. The battery lasts about 48 hours between charges when using a mix of the external and internal screens for about 6 hours. Thumbs up! Introducing the Motorola Razr Plus, the definitive best compact flip phone available in 2024. The enhanced external screen and dual camera system make it a dream for content creators and vloggers. At first glance, the new Razr Plus is undeniably more impressive than its previous versions, flaunting a larger external screen and an appealing design that's bound to attract attention. Despite its many features, the Razr Plus's primary target audience is content creators. The device's polished metal frame juxtaposed with a vegan leather case creates a stunning aesthetic. The Razr Plus's design is undoubtedly one of the sleekest among foldables, reflecting Motorola's dedication to creating a chic, compact device. And as anticipated, it fits effortlessly into pockets when folded. The robust hinge mechanism enables the Razr Plus to remain steady when opened. Weighing a mere 6.65 ounces, 188.5 grams, and boasting a slender frame of 0.27 inches, 6.9 millimeters, the Razr Plus is convenient to hold and use. On the right side, you'll find a multifunctional power button that also serves as a fingerprint sensor. It's worth mentioning that the Razr Plus carries an IP52 rating, indicating its water-repellent design capable of enduring minor splashes, but not immersion. Despite the design challenging of maintaining a thin profile, Motorola's third-generation foldable is a visually pleasing package. The dual camera system comprises the 12-megapixel primary camera with an f1.5 aperture lens and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide f2.2 lens that also functions as a macro camera. Although triple camera systems are common among flagships, the absence of an optical zoom lens isn't a major disappointment. The Razr Plus's cameras deliver satisfactory performance under optimal conditions, generating detailed images with natural color. Regarding battery life, the Razr Plus houses a 3800 mAh battery within its slim body. In tests, it lasted for 10 hours and 9 minutes, slightly surpassing the average phone. This compact, trendy, and efficient device is undoubtedly the best compact flip phone in the market in 2024. Good stuff. The next spotlight in our review series is the Oppo Find N2 Flip, a strong contender for the best flip phone of 2024. Compact, stylish, and innovative, it's a device that both harks back to flip phones of yesteryears and propels us into the future. The Oppo Find N2 Flip, with its dimensions of approximately 3x3x3 when folded, fits snugly into tight pockets or small handbags. Upon unfolding, it morphs into a standard flagship smartphone, boasting a 6.8-inch screen size, comparable to the Google Pixel 7 Pro and Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Interestingly, the external screen, measuring 3.26 inches, is reminiscent of the earliest smartphones' display sizes. Despite its compactness, this external screen is versatile. Unfolding, the Find N2 Flip reveals a vibrant AMOLED display, featuring an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, a 2520 by 1080 pixel resolution, and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. This translates into a responsive, sharp, and bright viewing experience. The matte finish of the screen reduces glare, enhancing readability outdoors. Under the hood, the Oppo Find N2 Flip packs MediaTek's Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage in the UK variant. Although it might not rival the latest Snapdragon chips, it delivers consistent performance across numerous tests. The 4300 mAh battery provides ample power for most days and could even last 2 days with light usage. While wireless charging isn't available, the wired charging is impressively fast, replenishing over 50% of the battery in just 30 minutes. Lastly, let's discuss the camera capabilities. The primary 50-megapixel camera captures detailed images and performs well in color reproduction. It utilizes pixel binning to generate highly detailed shots, while HDR effectively manages mixed lighting. All of these attributes make the Oppo Find N2 Flip a commendable runner-up in the flip phone category for 2024. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. We're thrilled to announce the winner of the coveted title of the most exceptional flip phone in 2024, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The embodiment of elegance and advancement, this foldable device from Samsung is unbeatably the best in its category. Its affordability and sophistication set a new benchmark for rivals. The folded Galaxy Z Flip 5 stands out with its unique compactness and exotic appeal, effortlessly fitting into pockets and allowing single-handed usage. The design evolution in the Flip 5 sees an expansion in the external flex window, transitioning from the 1.9-inch display with a resolution of 512 by 260 pixels to a more spacious 3.4-inch screen with a 748 by 720 pixel resolution. It effectively utilizes the available space. The visual delight is further accentuated by the 6.7-inch main screen with a sharp resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels. The AMOLED display ensures readability even under bright sunlight, while the 120Hz refresh rate enhances the smoothness of operation. An exciting feature of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is its IPX8 water resistance rating, offering protection against water damage. Powered by Samsung's One UI 5.1.1 based on Android 13, the performance is consistently smooth, as expected from a high-end device. The innovative Flex window offers a large cover screen that conveniently allows one-handed operations like texting, changing songs, and taking photos. With customizable widgets and a full cover screen, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is always ready for action, even when it's closed. Tasks such as sending texts, answering calls, accessing your calendar, and even taking selfies can be accomplished quickly. Furthermore, the step tracker widget on the Flex window eliminates the need for constantly checking an app for your daily step count. It provides a quick glance at your progress, enhancing the convenience factor. The weather widget is another practical addition that many users will appreciate. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 flip phones in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.